Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to log in Belk account. So if you also want to log in Belk account, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now simply click on the search bar. Now type in www.belk.com, press enter. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the official website of Belk. From here, you'll be able to shop various products. If you want to log into your account, it is very simple. Look at top, you'll be able to find several options over here. You can find the option for deals and coupons, set my store, my account and bag. In order to log into your account, all you have to do is click on the option my account that you can see right over here. Now here you'll be able to find two options, sign in and create account. If you do not have an account, click on the option create account. After that, you'll be able to create an account for yourself. If you want to log into your account, simply click on the option sign in that you can see at the first. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the login interface of Belk. From here, you'll be able to log into your account. All you have to do is enter your email and password. First of all, enter your email. Simply click on the email box. Now enter your email. Make sure to enter the valid email address. Now enter your password. If you have forgotten your password, you can click on the option forget password. After that, you'll be able to reset it. Now simply click on the sign in option that you can see right over here. Now you can see over here, you've been signed in to your account. So that is how you log in Belk account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.